I didn't see you there. Let me finish this last page. And thou who works smarter does not work harder. Hallelujah! Where's my manners? Where's my manners? Hello, I go by the AlchemistKirito. Short for alchemist. You call me alchemist. Today, we're talking about why you're stagnant in life. Why you're stagnant in life. And the first reason why you're stagnant, is because you don't work smart. Okay? Imagine this. Imagine hopping into a game, a video game, and you got the wheel of fire on your side. Dr. Bayo, wheel of fire on your side. But you didn't come to the fight prepared. You can't win the war if you're not prepared for the war. Are you hearing me? Brothers and sisters, are you hearing me? Work smarter, not harder. That's the first step of not being stagnant in life. Work smarter, not harder. If you went into a video game with no gear on and you go into the match with not the right gear on, it don't matter how determined you are, you're going to lose. You're going to lose. Okay? Because you're not prepped for the meta. You're not prepped for the meta, okay? If you prep for the meta and actually go into the fight with the right gear on, you will win. You will win. Your success rates will go up tremendously. And that's what y'all gotta learn. It don't matter how hard you work in life, you can be putting in effort every day. But a great quote that my granddad told me, a great quote that I still live by to this day. That quote about practice makes perfect is a load of crap, okay? Like my granddad said, perfect practice makes perfect, okay? Okay? So if you're not practicing to 100%, then you're not going to get perfect to 100%, okay? So if you want to stop being stagnant in life, the first thing you need to do is research, okay? I use myself for a good example. When it comes to YouTube, there was a point on YouTube where I was uploading tremendously. Y'all was astounded by how much I was uploading. Quantity. I was uploading a good 3 to 4 videos a day. Then the next day I'll still do 3 more videos. And I would make sure I upload every day. And I did not see new results. I was seeing the same stagnant results. Was not getting that many subs on here. Was not getting that many views. Only thing I was doing was improving the probabilities of one of those videos popping off. And it did help, but was it worth the work? If you get what I'm saying. Like, yeah, I made like 15 videos in 1 week, but only like one of those videos blew up. Edited Alchemist here. That's actually what I hate about my content right now. In the past, I made sure I put in a lot of quality and editing and storytelling in my videos and entertainment in my videos. Compared to now, it feel like more quantity. I put out videos, but I don't put that much creativity and editing into it. And I dislike that. So that's actually something I'm trying to change on this channel now, as you can see with this video, and y'all will see in future videos. But back to original Alchemist, studious. And the other one did not shine. So clearly, it wasn't the hard work that actually got me that one video to escalate. It was something that I did with that one video that was smart, that got me to that escalating point of progress that I wanted. You get what I'm saying? So I started researching on that one video. Why did it blow up? And when I figured out, it was because it was trending at that moment. I did a good thumbnail, or I did a good title. That's when I learned it was work smart, not harder. That's what it was. And y'all probably wondering why you haven't been posting as frequently over here and stuff. Because I gotta work smart. I've been doing my research. I told y'all. And it's gonna lead up to the second step. Having a goal. I told y'all my goal is to get 10K subscribers by this year. And I'm going to make sure it happens. So I have to do my research. I can't just come over here putting out scrubby content. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. If you're doing the same thing over and over again and you're not seeing results, you want to know what they call that? Insanity. Okay? They call that insanity. I'm not going to be sitting here looking insane and crazy to you guys that I don't already look like without my humor. I'm not going to do that for no reason if I'm not getting progress. Okay? I need that progress. I'm always been a progressive person because of video games. I'm a completionist, okay? And I'm not gonna keep uploading, doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, and I'm not seeing new results. Okay? That's dumb. That's working hard, but I'm not working smart. People that work hard don't make progress in life. I'm gonna say it again. People that work hard do not make progress in life, okay? And I'm not saying hard work doesn't pay out. It does. What I'm saying is you have two people, and y'all probably know people in y'all lives that does this. But I'm just use an example. Let's say two people trying to be a rap artist. One person make music every day, work hard, go to the studios every day, uploading music every day, and he noticing that he only get like 10 to 20 views on his music on YouTube. The other person, he don't post a music video every day, anything. He work hard on one music video, right? One song. He go on TikTok and advertise it. Now he's causing it a trend on TikTok. He knows somebody. He was networking. He knows somebody. He know a producer somehow. So now he got a producer to make that song even sound better. So now, by the time that man dropped that one song, 3 months from now, it's already trending on TikTok. And when he drop it, boom, 100,000 views, 100,000 plays. You wanna know why? Because he worked smart. He got the exposure he needed. Okay? So he worked hard, but in a smarter way. You gotta work hard in a smarter way. I don't care what profession y'all in. Music, cooking, YouTube. I don't care, teachers. I don't care what profession you in. Hard work only takes you so far. If you're not thinking smart, planning smart, if you're not prepping to get the goal that you want, you're not going to get it. So first step, prepping, research. Do your research. You can't just hop in the game and think you're gonna be the best, bro. I can't just hop on Destiny and think I'm gonna be the top PvP player. I need to know the meta. I need to know last word is meta. I need to know peace of mind is meta. Some of y'all don't even know what I'm talking about, but if you're a Destiny player, you know what I'm talking about, okay? I gotta know how to shade step. I gotta know how to jump. I gotta know my laterals, my verticals. Okay? I know the same thing, my horizontals. I gotta know all of that. Okay? I can't just hop in PvP and think I'm gonna be the greatest player ever alive without doing my research. I gotta research what's the best weapons. I gotta research what's the best loadouts. What's the best gear. How you supposed to be playing. Am I supposed to be playing passive or aggressive? What's the best map? What's the thresholds? What's the lanes? I gotta know my research and all my prepping in order for me to be the best player out there. My sensitivity gotta be on point. My button layout. Everything gotta be prepped for me to be the greatest player alive at that moment. You can't just hop on YouTube or just hop inside a teaching career and just think, oh, I'm finna be the best out there just because you doing it. You gotta do your research. It takes experience, trial and error, learning to be the best that you can be. You cannot just come out the gates thinking you're gonna be amazing without doing your research. Do your research. Figure out what grab people's attention, what make people watch, what people. I'm just using YouTube as an example because I'm doing YouTube right now. But what's gonna grab people's attention? What's gonna make people watch longer? What's gonna make people click the video? What if the thumbnail visual is good? You know, you gotta do your research on whatever career you're going in. You can't be a chef without knowing the cooking point, the temperature points on when food is ready, at what time, how long it should be in there, the resting moment, how long food should rest before you cook it, how long it should rest after you cook it. I know a little something. I'm gonna stop playing. Watch out now. I know a little something about cooking. I know a little something. What's seasoning put on there? You know, you can't just come out there thinking you're gonna know everything because you won't. Okay. So first step, prepping and research. Do your research on whatever career you're going in. Whatever you're doing in life, do your research. That's why you're stagnant. You're not doing your research. Research what works and then follow through. And you will start seeing progress. Step 2, having a goal. If you're not working towards a goal, you're not going to reach what you want. Okay? Have a goal. If you don't have a goal, you're just doing things. You got to set a goal of what you're trying to change. You're trying to make 10% change in your analytics, 20% change. You're trying to gain this much money by this time. Set some goals. And the third thing, and this all ties in together. Third thing, passion, motivation. It shows. It definitely shows. People can tell if you're confident. People can tell when you're passionate about something. People can tell when you love something and motivated about something. If you're not passionate and motivated about it, you're lacking when it comes to the work because you're not putting your 110% into it. Okay? You gotta put 110% into it. So if you're not passionate on that career you're doing, if you're not passionate about making a YouTube video, if you're not passionate about cooking, if you're not passionate about teaching and helping kids and stuff, if you're not passionate about it, your work will slack and you will not be the best, because there will always be someone that's actually passionate about it, and you're going to see it through their actions, their body language. Humans pay attention to body language more than words. So if you're not even showing passion and love in what you're doing, the motivation at what you're doing, you're not going to put your 100% effort into it, and people will tell. You know, when you're passionate about something, you stay up all night working on it. You make sure it's 100% perfect to your extent. You make sure that you're thinking about what people love about your work and what you love about your own work. That's what passion shows through. I think YouTube is a perfect example, because some of y'all come to my videos, y'all say, I can tell Alchemist loves this anime music. He shows so much energy and expression into it. While there's other reactors, they show no expressions, no energy, and y'all feel the vibes, and y'all like, this is not that good of a video. That's tough. That's tough. But that's just the truth. The reason you're stagnant in life, you're not doing your prep work, you're not doing your research, you're not setting a goal, and you're not motivated enough. Be driven. Be driven. If y'all apply these 3 steps, I promise y'all gonna start seeing progress. Y'all will start seeing progress. The main point is doing your research. If you don't do your research, you're not gonna know what you're doing. So do your research. I know y'all hate studying, but y'all gotta study. Open up your books. Open up your books and start studying. Okay? Some of y'all probably like, Alchemist, why are you making this video, bro? You Alchemist. You're an anime reactor over here. You know, you're a gamer reactor, a gamer anime reactor over here. Well, y'all know I like making motivational videos for you guys and making videos to teach y'all some lessons in my community. Y'all family to me. So I like to uplift y'all, you know, let y'all know what y'all can do to improve yourselves. And this is what you can do to improve yourself, okay? Start prepping and researching. If you think you're working hard right now, but you never sat down for hours to do research on videos and what can work and stuff, if you never sat down for hours to do something to change your career or your talent up a little bit to improve it, if you're not sitting there trying to figure out a way to improve your talent even more and outshine your previous work, you're not doing enough research, you're not working hard enough, because there's always room for improvement. Always. And I believe in y'all. I believe in y'all, okay? So to wrap this up, I believe in y'all. Start working harder. Start prepping, okay? Start working harder, smarter. If that makes sense. Harder, smarter. Start working smarter, harder, okay? I think that makes sense. It gonna make sense. It gonna make sense. Y'all know what I mean. Work smarter, not harder, okay? If you work smart, you put in, if you work more harder on the intellectual side of your gift, you don't have to work as hard when it comes to quantity. Quality over quantity, okay? Quality over quantity. And that wraps up the video. But before you go, click on the video on the screen. I got some amazing content over here if you're new, okay? I did some amazing anime reactions. I will be dropping another anime reaction today with this video today. And I will be live streaming today as well. I'm working. Bro, I'm working smart, okay? I'm working smart. Until next time, stay up.